Cholesterol. Don't be like this guy, eating corned beef hash, bacon, and croutons, which contains cholesterol that clogs your arteries, and it can cause strokes and heart attacks from the clogging. High cholesterol is not good for you and contains mostly salt, and it's from using and consuming too much salt, more than necessary. And even if you feed it to dogs, it still affects them in a different way, though. You can exercise and work out to burn cholesterol, and it helps to lower your cholesterol levels if necessary, if it's high, and it helps a lot. But having a healthy diet is also effective. This is the cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. Cholesterol is located in the cell membrane, and it helps a lot. The cholesterol in the cell membrane, it's in the cell membrane, and it helps.
Keep going. You're still in your head. Go.
It helps regulate. It helps regulate.
Okay, I have to go.
The communication of cells from one another, so all cells can function correctly in the body. It is located here, those little yellow things, and it helps regulate the communication between cells so that it can function correctly in the body. Cholesterol makes up for nearly 20% of the membrane, and it's an important 20%. It can also be found in the membranes of certain organelles. The mitochondria, for example, it stores and supplies the cell with energy, so it's called the powerhouse. But cholesterol helps the membrane protect this important organelle. Without cholesterol in the cell membrane would consist too much of fluid and would eventually turn to mush. Cholesterol, in other terms, keeps the cell membrane, or the plasma membrane, firm and fit so it can fulfill its duties, its permeable duties. Here is an artery, a clear artery that has not been clogged, and there, as you can see, it has buildup in plaque, which consists of mostly cholesterol, and consuming too much, which is not good for you. Here you have some more clogged arteries, and then again, once you get high cholesterol from consuming too much salt and cholesterol, there's different. You can have mild, and then you can have really bad high cholesterol, which is too much, which can then later cause clots, just as you see here, which is a normal. Then starting to get it's a tear in the artery wall, and then the plaque starts falling in, and then eventually it leads to a blood clot, which can cause a stroke or a heart attack. Cholesterol can also affect the body because it can be in genes too, and yeah. And how much cholesterol in your body can be decided through the DNA and genes that make you up, passed down from your parents. This is due to high cholesterol can be inherited from your parents as well in genes. This is due to a mutation in the gene that encodes proteins which help clear out a certain kind of cholesterol that is not needed in the bloodstream. If this mutation occurs, it results in high cholesterol, which is not good for the body. It clogs your arteries and can cause heart attacks and stroke. And that's it. Yeah.